Hey guys, and welcome to another exciting edition of Savage Jamaican Cuisine. For today, we will be doing Jamaican rice and peas. Yes, guys, Jamaican rice and peas, and of course, my way, of course, because everybody does their rice and peas different. So I'm doing it my way. This is one of those recipes that is dear to my heart because I learned this technique from my grandmother, who has been one of my main motivators. So definitely, this is gonna be a hit video for me. Right, so I'll be taking you to the step of how I do my Jamaican rice and peas. And as we know that the history of rice and peas is that it coexists from Africa, where it's a traditional meal there within the Ghana area and the Ivory Coast area of Africa, whereby they do rice and beans. But we Jamaican do it a different way. So I'll be taking you to the step of how I do mine. And of course, go ahead, like the channel, subscribe, and like the videos, of course, and tell a friend about it, as well as select the bell notification so you can get notified once I post a video. So I'll be walking through the steps in just a few, so I'll see you on the other end of this video. Hello guys, and welcome back. As I mentioned, we're doing rice and peas today. So I'm just showing you all the ingredients I'll be using to do the rice and peas. So here we have some red kidney beans that I've soaked overnight. So what I did was just soak this with some pimento berries, some garlic, and a bit of ginger. Right? So what I'm going to do is to add this to a pot and put this to start cooking. Of course, it's not going to take such a long time because it's pre-soaked, so pretty much it's not going to take that long time to cook. So let's just get this lit. That should be good. Now it's going to need a little bit more water, so what I did was to preheat the kettle with some water. So we are going to add some warm water to that. What this does is just quicken the cooking process of the peas, right? So just add like about 3 cups. That should be enough. So now I'm going to be adding a chopped onion. Doesn't have to chop it up too fine. I mean, that's good enough. Sizes are okay. I'm going to be adding some salt to that. Right? So it's like about a tablespoon and a half of salt to that. I'm going to allow this to cook. Now these are the other ingredients I'll be using in the rice as well. So I have butter here. I have coconut milk. Of course, if you have the dry coconut, it's best. You just grate it and get the juice out of it. But this is what I have, so I'll be using this. We have a scallion, we have thyme, we have a Scotch bonnet pepper, specifically the green one. We have Maggi bouillon. This is a vegetable bouillon. And also, this is the secret ingredient that I use in my rice and peas. So the peas is getting started to cook. So as soon as this is ready, I'll be back to show you how I go ahead to add all these and then get the rice flipped in here. So I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so here we're back. As you can see, my peas is cooked. You want to ensure that the peas is soft, right? So yeah, my peas is cooked. So what I'm going to do now is to add the other ingredients to get the rice out of the way. So here I'm just adding some scallion, a green pepper, some fresh thyme, and as I mentioned, these will be my seasoning cubes I'm using. So this is just 2 vegetable bouillon. Let me just get these out. And we're just going to break them up into the peas here. That's one. Get everything in. Everything. Okay. So and this is the second one. So that's the 2 bouillons in, 2 vegetable bouillon in. So what I'm gonna do now is to add a little bit of butter. What the butter does is to make your rice chili, right? So it's a little bit of butter. This is like about a little above a tablespoon of butter. This is a secret ingredient I'll be using into my rice and peas. I mentioned everybody do theirs different. This is one of the things I use into mine to enhance the flavor. Of course, this is grandma's recipe, so of course she used all the stuff there is. That is from the old time days. So pretty much that goes in there. Alright, and then I'm going to add my coconut milk. This is 400 milliliters of coconut milk. I'm just gonna add this, get all of this in here, and give it a quick stir. And what I'm gonna do is to just leave this to simmer for about 15 minutes, so the coconut milk and the seasoning and the peas and everything can come together nicely. So I'm gonna cover this guys and leave this for 15 minutes, and then after that we can go ahead to add our rice, which is already washed. So I'm just getting this part out of the way. 15 minutes has surpassed, so this is what your peas should be looking at, with the, coconut milk and all these herbs and spices coming together so well. And the aroma, guys, it is so beautiful in the kitchen. Like, it is amazing. So what I'm gonna do now is to go ahead and to add my rice. So my rice, as I mentioned, was washed and set aside. So this is 1 kilo of rice, so this is actually 80 grams in total. So I'm just gonna go ahead and to lower the flame a bit and add my rice in. Alright, so just gonna get everything inside. The water, don't worry guys, the water there should be enough to cook it. I'm just getting out everything here. Alright. Just gonna incorporate everything here. Put it in the mix. Alright. Perfect. So it should be looking now like this. So with the flame being low, I'm not gonna adjust it. So a little bit more, and then cover this. Alright, so we cover this now and we leave this to cook. So what I want is the water here in the rice to reduce. So I have the heat of the medium heat right now. So as soon as this water reduces, then I'll just turn down the fire to low and then cover this with some foil paper so as to trap the heat inside and have the rice steamed for another 15 to 20 minutes. So as soon as this is finished, guys, you will see the end result of Jamaican rice and peas. Alright guys, so as you can see, the water is reduced from the rice now. This is what I'm going to do is to go ahead and to add the foil. I'm going to use the foil to cover this so as to start the steaming process. So 15 minutes to go, and then this should be finally ready. So just ensure you cover the rice well to trap all the heat inside, and ensure your flame is very low. Of course, it's at its lowest now. And we'll just leave this for another 15 minutes so it can steam, and our rice should be ready. So alright guys, so here we have the final result of the Jamaican rice and peas. As you can see, the rice is fully cooked. I mean, the color is amazing and the rice is so shelly. Look at that. As grandma would say, you can take it and throw it in the sky and it fall back right in your eyes. Yeah, so this is how your Jamaican rice and peas should look. So thank you so much for being a part of Savage Jamaican Cuisine. Today's episode was Jamaican rice and peas. Of course, in whatever you do, just always be savvy.